In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat camera being zoomed in. Now this is if your Snapchat camera does look zoomed in, cropped, or if it's not zooming properly. I'm going to show you how you can fix every single one of these. But if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now the first thing I recommend doing is just force closing and relaunching Snapchat. You can do this just by swiping out of the app just like so and then reopening it. Sometimes doing this instantly resets that camera view, but if that didn't work, go ahead and tap on your profile icon up in the top left and then select the settings gear up in the top right. From here though, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see an option for Lens Studio. You may need to specifically search for this if you don't see it, but open up this and what you're going to want to do is tap either reset pairing status and select unpair, or just hit tap to reset and then unpair just like so. Go back in this section now and you're going to have the option to clear your data. Go ahead and do that as well. Once again, you may have to search for this and then hit clear lenses and then clear local lens data and select clear. After doing so, force close Snapchat, reopen it up, and that may have worked. If it didn't though, there's two more fixes. I would first check to see if there is an update for Snapchat. You can do this by directly going on that app store, searching for Snapchat, and then selecting update if there is so. If there isn't though, just go ahead and hold the power and the volume button to restart your phone, just because it's going to refresh your camera and app permissions. Now, if none of that did work, what I recommend doing is long pressing Snapchat, deleting the app, and then if none of that did work, I recommend just long pressing Snapchat, deleting the app, uninstalling it, and then reinstalling it just like so from your respective app store. You're not going to lose any of your memories since they are saved to your account. But that is all the fixes that would help you out. If this guy did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.